Media on board. Thank you for coming and of course valuing our invitation. Mulamwa gwa lero tetwagala kwogera nnyo. My name is MC Mosh Mula out at NTV every Saturday. Atenga ndiwo olwachali wange Prince Emma nga ina kyatufumbidde alongside X-Raba alongside Raina Music. Tugenda kwa launching or unveiling our record label bagita The Ghetto Fabulous Music. Nga n'omugaga ku mutadde omugago wa Nabesiga Real Estate Company nga bano bagenda otussamu kasente. One of the key issues why our music is not crossing across ensonga ya kasente. Abana balina talent but the money funding, the monetary aspect of it is still lacking. That is why we have incorporated n'omugaga wa Real Estate. There's a lot of people that have money naye abalina omutima ogwo gusaamu mu music ogusaamu mu talent batono. So I don't want to speak much. Allow me introduce the artists. Allow me recognize the legends here about TV media personalities, different legends musically, different legends promoters, different bloggers, and of course recognize every media house that has taken a minute or two to appreciate our invitation.
Mosh Mula mwana wokutureba manyeta Prince Emma wa Royal kandi tuli abeshongozi ba The Ghetto Fabulous Music. Rizoba nonna kurwamani munonga group yitu okutura ntweshongora na bagenzi banje kandi lekintu kyamani munonga kugira ngo obwire butereze tukweshongora tufune abantu abo kubasa ku organizing our talents kandi bakikiza kusigninga kugira ngo music ya Western Uganda ebase kuba negendo misho. Thank you.
Yes, amazina and X-Raba material out at The Ghetto Fabulous Music. Echamane rizoba no kureba ngo nito twafuna umuntu wakosa kuturiko organizing nk'abana besugwa Real Estate sabashija abana bashaba mani baje ngureka batema amataka gabo bateke mwe sente. So we are happy kan mwe namwe bari kwija.
All right, thank you. 2025
yebare munonga amazina Andreina Rosie. I'm very happy mazima kandi chamani ninyongera kusima team yishanjiro mu The Ghetto Fabulous Music mebare munonga kumpa this opportunity na manager ikoza kushine today. Thank you so much. I'm very happy kandi mabija. Thank you so much for coming.
Dina nbanyeta Dr. Roji Asainamani ndio umwe muri ba director bana besugwa Real Estate. Nashemererwa munonga kubaha mukasheshe ningasho muhango rizoba mukubasa kuteka ningashi kutebekanisa entaranta z'abana bato bari no bijwe music industry itenka abana besugwa ndishemererwa munonga twantureba abana bato bakubasa kurugayo bakwereka entaranta zabo mbekwatirina no na music kandi nindangirira ningashi itenka abana besugwa turaganisa ku facilitatinga ningashi kusigninga twasigninga kurugera izoba abeshongozi Prince Emma wa Royal, X-Raba material na Nina Rose. Raina Rose. Yes, we agree that we are going to support them financially and where necessary physically we shall mobilize for them funds and of course put our own funds to make sure at least their dreams at least come true. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Anagamba ebireba hati music ni business. Mwe bare kurugayo kugira mushake bataha ibitu ni at least nabone baza kwikaho bakoraki baba habyo bayiyongeraho. Then ikindi kinangwa nani shababa artist bona ba burengeri izoba nti bataha ibitu aba barugayo basayininga aba bana. Konka twantu shaba entaruiz rumu tizine kizukuza koraki Fabulous ya sayiningwa kunuya watunge cyeshongoro cyekite aha obani social media yawe muri kusanga mbu twatunga mu team zitakwatagana turi asalinde batikuza koraki. Let's unite, let's be one to promoting batayi bitu na bokunuya baba promoting ne nyumba promoting usange music industry yitu yakoraki yakora yaza ahidare rindi.
Okay, echamani munonga banyita Brian Kazenga. Niza kubanza nasi ma Almighty Jah ruhanga kutise izuba nkeri nigaruka nsima nabesgwa real estate kubasa kubantu bakora icyamani neco kureberaho hariho companies nyinshi kandi bine sente bitongore by'amani bine sente reka tukubasa agent art because an art nentaranta neba yakwirwe ruhanga babasa kubano korecho nabesgwa big up on yourself niza kuba ni impereza kitindisa the legendary Musio, big up on yourself and large up baba bize nkabije bakakikaha abantu bat motivating kugira ngo western nito twakika level. Big up on yourself, Rasta Shai, Dr. Shai. Then of course, Nana Black Chew Exchange, MVP, Nabandbon. Basically, it's a very big, it's a big time. Start Western. Kanye Brian Kazenga, the Ghetto Fabulous in the Muka manager. The most important thing, Omaka Gurumusia. Tuenda kubagambira nti twareta tune ebaru kweta omuziro gwitu on Saturday neza kubera the first neza kuba neshohora ito ntukore ibintu by'amani audio eruho na video eruho reka tu supporting music tijana amani mingi munonga nico chikuru then entaro tuziyemu kandi reka tuyendeze kutwara wakatagane nza kuba kiriye cyakabi music kugira ngo ito Ghetto Fabulous turakwatagane n'aba Rasta Musio turakwatagane n'abandabwa reka twatagane tuhe respect then chikure ndongwe kwereki egambere abanyamahurire mwena nimbahereza salute echikuntu wa promising cyakabi umuramwa n'umuziro gwito new tune new audio of course elabene shohora al first of Feb neza kuba el Saturday reka tugirinde respect
bingi nimanya bikunkwataho tinkwetaga kweshobora bingi bateki ngwenda gambaho is it a year back kandi yo mu equal the same press conference nishikake ya Robros B Bounce abesongo zabo tubamara wiki mu kigombe cyo bagiremo so nabo bakakora umukoronkogo ejo nikigize kundetera message kugira bata wori yo mweshongozi wafu no muntu akiza ku supportinga career yawe be ready nawo ku meeting interests ze kimwe nagambe cyo kubanza extra bogo ari nemyaka almost 10 mu industry Olia Reina Rose akatani cyo mukumayiminga by'abandi akora za
covers miming
Emma yabandi zo mu byo commenting umupira yazo mu kushoma yagaruka music so ayi mukire mugeze cyo mukubasa Mike. So right now mwajiro management what I usually tell people nyonkanye nerebo nakaveja ngo mu level but ekinarebera nabeshongozi abeshongozi wamara kuzo management be ready to succumb manyango waba iwogereze byawo byaremo waika unkani muraura kaine show yakorera cement the platform ekeriya cement satwazo management ne kuteka ikintu ki standard meeting a class yawo
no waza level ndishi
wakireba obe no tambuza munongo umuntu bwa puru hatiya na music wakireba so majiro management please mugondera amateka ga management ibyo kutekeza ngo nomanya kukiza management ebyo byahwiri izoba management yaje kutukwendeki for it I believe contract zanyu nimanye kimwikirizinemu because I believe na boss wanya bahire time kufuna ba lawyers zanyu mu reviewinga imwaza kusana contracts baza signinga when you are at good times when at the time of departure mwe mwine exit mwine tena kazo ku exit ingiraho ibintu kwena muguma ati paso with all those nyoni bendeze burungi I'm here to support your endeavors because at least nkozere nabeshongozi bingi bade chikuru cyabyona na management imugiremo company none ku taking initiatives kuma industry ne yetagachi kurana baka center ibarakateke karugamo so nyoka MVP ndo kuba supportinga but be ready kugondera amateka ga management kandi ezesha kuyeriza muza kusandika kufuna ba advisor hato bimwe muri mwe mutine ba advisor hati mwakufuna ba advisor baraba diverting yuguma muramwa ekine cyakure ko management upushing ekiroto cyawe
much njyo rimi to mixinga Yeah, nyone banyita Dr. Shai, ni banyita legend, timu bandi legend, chunga keshongora ho nanye bintu kweta ba legends, bari bamani ho na himuri, we respect you and turiyo twa representing bashita charity bachaza nabandi mwena bashitire abaryoke. So what I have to say is ninyabaza mnonga ninza kutandikira aho mushija mukurugwe ayarga yakashara ho assigning the Ghetto Fabulous Music musicians etukatutere munakaruru yo wall and much respect kurugira kimwe on behalf of my other colleagues who speak for themselves. We are thankful itwenka abimwe ita legends bigambo byanyu twabasa kushitamaho twagira abana aba twabakorera ki chongi kintu kimanya buri mwaka kugamba ha mutima ekituza kubakorera. But one message in kwasa kurabya haho naho speed nimanyisa the Ghetto Fabulous Music musicians, the small experience I have in this music otakatina kwandika byeshongoro ebikugambe kiri ha mutima gwawe otakatina mureke kukopa munonga mukopa munonga bitegerejero no otakatina kikurya ha mutima kukitomu cyeshongoro kokopa munonga to kweshongoro kiri ha mutima kuko eshongoro kitari ha mutima to kwija kwatayo nikimara kire kace washongora kiri ha mutima nikiza ku impacting abashongozi bingi kandi nyenda mu bico kurebera aho abeshongoza abandi mu nsasire kugambe iki kuko nindeba abeshongozi nibabakoma ngo nibeshongore ibintu bitarumu nanye nincagira babakomere kimwe batinyoti kanshe mizo kuri mu shongozo Western Uganda niwe beshongora message ekuza kushisha community yitweji it wouldn't be nice kato shongore music ekuhereza impact a generation na nabana bari mu families na nabandi nabantu bari ya streets nabantu batine cyo kuriya nabantu bari kubi na nembere aba journalist yibarumu tibakushashurwaje abakutera music yanyu tibakushashurwaje ba promoters tibakubahaje because tibakutungaje ihangari itu riteke sento mu music age tutungurira beshongozi bitwaba briefly nco nagambo mukire nkaka
futambuza music kagendo misho haza hataho mpoho nondi kusimira nabesugwa kurugayo ukagira utikande babana abamba bambateka muci itwe nyuma ho kare kuba beno buri umwishongozi nkogwe no ry'umuyayinka nabesugwa utakubasa kureba mwakanto nare buriya huriye mbura mukoro no wabugwe cyo gukora mwene ko no ebyo ningambe byenyuma abo kuba mwanyetanga legend so hata nareba ngo ninsima munonga nabesugwa ngwe bari munonga kureba ngo music tintu kiryaho ngo naba kubababuzo rwo mukoro aco gukora konka ekinkusima no kureba ngo abasigaza baba the Ghetto Fabulous na nempangare yitwe jonjo washaramu wajota nyawe kamba kwateho ndebe ngo ekibaturana bagamba ekikubara muniki so hate challenge yasigara ba Ex-Rubber, Prince Emma na Rena Rose hati challenge dimwe tarorwe kwaso kandi amanya nimburwa pushi noreba hati tinyene kikunyamba bona tinyene za studio za video ziremere ibintu byona biri yahumbwe eco ncyorwe kwaso jo company yangu yakora ki ejo yargo no jango bugaro bwa nabisuga tukumwongera kwe then ngarike nsime the Ghetto Fabulous Music awenshongena kureba ngo abako bako nareba MV pa nkareba Prince nanka Remy nkareba Brian Kazenga Shai Dr. na nabandi nareba ngo hinde kimukwenda kwaburwamo so no manyo muntu akuburwa chaburwa nibajango natambura mpaka ki bwira so hati mutumukiza kugira ngo numuyirwana ngabo kuba mwine MVP mwine Shai nkuko mwabareta bahampa mube habuzeho ubundi original kabaje. Thanks for respecting us mukatweto mukintu eki abanyamakuru mwena nimba konera mwimwe tinyine kinko bagamba abo kubimwe nimwe mahanda gwa the music etukweshongora twatarabizaho umuhando ogu nuhurgutu mbweni imwe nimwe rugutu abo kuba mutatireyo mukatuhanaka mukatugambaho mukatugira mukatwana tukubasa mu rugendo rukubatura mu kugira ngo twaza so ni mu mwitero bugaro no mu mwene za kamera numba so kwitero bugaro give thanks nasigara ndi kisu binukali mtoto akatai maksudi
konka according to the little experience so far kokuba abagambira nkatankani nkola cover songs za western music ya western yoga so far namara mu myaka eshatu. So with that little experience na nabimfunire I embrace the opportunity. Maybe hine kibakozere ki hine kibandeveremo ya sono basakwa buzabwa kibaronda Rainers maybe hine kibandeveremo ekibatarebere maybe omuyori maybe in luck ya it is my blessing
na no kongera cha Rainer Rose Foro abichi omu Western Uganda binyitu bine management so nacho kitube cyurucyurungi ogo director kagira ati munondero yo muhicho kumangwa ine talent na mukino tumugite aha kintu cyito shange twine fans babakazi twine
gender balance
yes sometimes